Weekends are my favorite time of the week. After 5 long days of school or work, I finally get 2 days to relax and do the things I love. Let me take you through my simple weekend routine. My weekend starts on Saturday morning. I wake up later than usual, around 8 or 9 a.m. On weekdays, I have to get up early, but on weekends, I can sleep a little more. When I wake up, I feel refreshed. The sun is shining through the window, and I stretch my arms. I get out of bed slowly, without any rush. After brushing my teeth, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. My breakfast is simple. I usually have toast with butter and jam, and sometimes I make scrambled eggs. I like to drink a cup of warm tea or orange juice with my breakfast. It's a peaceful time, and I enjoy eating while sitting by the window. After breakfast, I spend some time relaxing. Sometimes I read a book, and other times I watch TV. There's a cartoon show that I like, and it comes on every Saturday morning. Watching it makes me happy. Around noon, I go outside for a walk. I live near a park, so I like to take a walk there. The park is beautiful on weekends because many people come with their families and pets. I love watching the dogs run and play. Sometimes I sit on a bench and just enjoy the fresh air. The birds are singing, and the trees sway in the wind. It's peaceful and makes me feel calm. After the walk, I go back home to have lunch. Lunch is usually light, maybe a sandwich or some noodles. I keep it simple because I don't want to spend too much time cooking. In the afternoon, I like to do something productive. Sometimes, I clean my room or help my parents with chores around the house. It feels good to organize things. I usually put on some music while cleaning to make the task more fun. If I have homework from school or something important to finish, I do it during the afternoon. I don't want to leave it for Sunday because I want to keep Sunday as a relaxing day. So, I try to complete all my tasks on Saturday. In the evening, I often meet with my friends. We go to a nearby cafe or just hang out at someone's house. It's fun to catch up with my friends and talk about how the week went. Sometimes we play video games or watch a movie together. For dinner, my family and I like to order takeout. Pizza is our favorite, but sometimes we get burgers or Chinese food. It's nice not to cook on Saturday night and just enjoy some tasty food with family. We all sit together and talk about our day while eating. After dinner, I like to unwind by reading a book or watching a movie. I usually pick something light and funny because I don't want to think too much. Before going to bed, I spend a few minutes checking my phone, scrolling through social media, or sending messages to my friends. I go to sleep feeling happy and relaxed. Sunday is my lazy day. I wake up even later than Saturday, around 9 or 10 a.m. I feel very rested, and I take my time getting out of bed. After brushing my teeth, I head to the kitchen for a simple breakfast again. This time, I might have cereal or a muffin with a glass of milk. Sunday mornings are slow and easy. I don't like to plan too much for Sunday because I want to take it easy. I usually spend the morning watching TV or reading something fun. In the late morning, I take another walk or go for a bike ride. Sometimes, I take a different route than on Saturday. Exploring new streets or parks in my neighborhood is exciting. I feel free and happy when I'm outside, enjoying nature. After my walk or bike ride, I come back home to have lunch. Sunday lunch is often special because my family likes to cook something nice. Sometimes we make pasta, roast chicken, or a big salad. It's always a good meal, and we enjoy eating together as a family. The afternoon is very calm. I don't do much on Sundays. I might take a nap if I feel tired or just lie down and listen to music. If there's a good movie on TV, I'll watch that. Sometimes, I spend time with my family, talking or playing board games. It's a nice way to bond and have fun. I also use Sunday afternoons to prepare for the week ahead. I check my school bag to make sure I have everything I need for Monday. If there's something I forgot to do, like a school assignment, I quickly finish it. I also plan what clothes I'll wear for the week and make sure they're clean and ready. Sunday evenings are quiet. We usually have a light dinner, like soup or salad, something simple and easy. After dinner, I relax by reading or watching some TV. I like to go to bed early on Sunday because I want to be fresh for Monday. Before bed, I take a warm shower, which helps me relax. As I get into bed, I think about my fun weekend. I feel happy to have time to rest, meet friends, and spend time with my family. I also feel ready to start the new week. With these peaceful thoughts, I fall asleep. My weekend routine is simple but enjoyable. It's a time to rest, relax, and recharge for the week ahead. I love the balance of doing fun things and taking time for myself. Weekends are special, and I look forward to them every week.